Hey everybody, this is the Crypto Crow. I want to make sure you understand that I am not at all a licensed financial advisor in any way, shape, or form, and all the content in this video and all other videos on my channel are merely a matter of opinion alone. Make sure you do your own research and you base your decisions on what you find yourself. I am simply stating opinions. If you need any other help or you like any of the contents of the videos that you find, make sure you click the Show More button, which is where you'll find a lot of different links associated with a lot of the things that I discuss. I hope that helps you, and I'll see you very soon. Crow your coins. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back, and the market's just starting back into an uptrend. So here's the thing, a couple of things I wanted to show you guys today. I keep getting all these questions from everybody. When's it going to come back? When's it going to come back? What's happening? What's happening? Obviously China's been an issue, but the fact of the matter is, and I told you guys how I've seen this multiple times, and there's that. Oh, here's a yawn. Um, there's actually been a trend with this, and I'm going to show you guys what's been happening over the past couple years. So I'm going to get rid of this. And if you look at this chart, this is basically a chart showing 2015, 16, 17, and now 18. And you're going to notice a very, very similar trend. Okay. Huge dip. Basically the same time, same place, same bat channel, pretty much every year. Now, what I assume this is it's basically all of the big whales cashing out, taking their profit, paying the taxes, and buying back in on the dip. So if you're looking at this here, this was all the way up here around the 2nd, all the way up here around the 9th. I mean, it's basically around the same week, right, for the most part. And then things start to pick back up. It's pretty much the same thing. So it looks to be happening a little bit earlier each year. That's interesting too. So yeah, guys, don't freak out. I mean, look, you can see, where am I? Oh, you can't see my mouse on this. But you can basically see it's up high, drops to the floor, and it starts to pick back up and get sideways again, and it'll continue to grow. So don't freak out about this whole market thing. It's the perfect opportunity to buy. I mean, that's it. It's a buyer's market. I mean, you can go in and within the net, pretty much, I'm honestly, like, typically, you can have really good picks and say, hey man, this pick is going to, go up here over the next few weeks or whatever. And that's cool. But in a market like this, where when it's as low as it is, I mean, this is just my opinion, obviously, but I mean, you can pretty much buy just about anything, and it's really not a question of whether or not you're going to make a profit. It's about which coins are going to make you the most profit in the same time frame. So, so yeah, I mean, it's a perfect opportunity for you guys to get in, pretty much on the ground floor. Now, it's not 11, it's 9. Okay. So, and you can see now in the market, you can see how everything's starting to tick up a bit. Right? I mean, just about everything is kind of starting to go up a little bit, little by little. So Cardano's at 49 cents. Do your thing. I've had an interesting night, so I'm still a little tired. I'm like working on all this stuff with the high blood cells and everything for my testosterone shots, and it's making my blood thicker. I actually went to go donate blood today, because I was reading all this stuff online, and I was talking to some friends that are doctors and everybody, and they were basically like, yeah, when your red blood cell count goes up, your blood ultimately gets a little thicker. And mine is at like a 56 mecatite or whatever. I don't remember what the hell it is. And apparently the blood bank won't even take a donation. Everybody's saying like you go and it's like a therapeutic withdrawal, I guess you could call it, where you just pull out a bunch of the double red cells, and so you feel better, and hopefully I'll be better. Apparently it's a big thing with bodybuilders who are doing steroids, because I get a weekly testosterone shot, have it in a few weeks, I don't know how long this shit takes to get out of your system for your red blood cell count to go back down, but a lot of bodybuilders apparently, so they can keep their injections going, they go to the blood bank and they donate on a fairly regular basis. And I went and they're like, yeah, you're 1 point higher than we'll accept. So I'm like, son of a gun. And so I got to get a doctor's prescription, which I'm getting now. It's just a big headache. But yeah, I'm probably going to cut down. I think I'm going to start looking towards like natural testosterone boosting alternatives outside of the shot, because it's just, I don't know, it just doesn't seem worth it. Too much stress. I got too much going on to be worried about like red blood cells and blood donations and all that other shit. So anyway, so the market looks good. I just kind of wanted to let everybody know. I see things, oh yeah, my big ass head's blocking the thing, so you can barely see the ticks, but you can see just about everything is starting to skirt up a little. So will it last? I think so. Somebody asked me this morning, where do you see Bitcoin getting? I said, well, based off what I'm seeing, it can get to as low as 8,500 before it turns around. But it looks like things are turning around. I'm going to tell you guys now, though, if you've been talking about or thinking about picking up Profit Trailer or Profit Feeder, and you want to start growing your Bitcoin position, I don't know how much cheaper this is going to get, but that I would suggest, my personal opinion is getting it while getting's good. You can get it cheap. And like if you've already got a bunch of Bitcoin, it's not going to make as big of a deal. But if you're actually making a deposit to buy Bitcoin, now's the time, because I think this is going to start going back up here soon. Another thing too is I'm going to add I know that a lot of you guys are struggling trying to find exchanges that'll take you. So at the bottom of this video, I'm going to have it's going to be a referral link, but it's for the KuCoin exchange. I was checking it out last night. I'm like, this is pretty cool. So if you don't have an exchange account and you want one, you can't get on Bittrex. You can't. Now, Profit Trailer does not work on KuCoin yet. Maybe if enough people start using it, then they'll add it. But typically if you're getting money out of CoinBase and you want an exchange to be able to buy coins. Sorry, this is a bad one, man. Sorry about all the yawns today. But KuCoin looks pretty cool, and I can see that growing. And there's a lot of stuff that they're doing that's interesting. So I haven't bought any of the coins, the KuCoin shares, or any of that yet. Yeah, I'm willing to throw an affiliate link in there and hopefully get everybody an account, and then we'll see. We'll kind of follow it together and see what becomes of the good old KuCoin. So yeah, check that out, and that's it for now. Just making it real quick, 7-minute, 8-minute video. Just kind of let everybody know, don't sweat the market. It's going to start coming back here any minute, is my opinion. I think it's going to start swinging back, and it already kind of has, but I've seen a little bit of these dips before, but this looks like a fairly significant increase. So I think it's going to start lasting. On that note, I'm going to get back to work because I have so much to do today between the website, responding to emails. I have like 80-something message requests on Facebook I haven't even touched. I've got like all kinds of stuff going on. I'm like losing my damn mind, people. Yeah, check out KuCoin. I think it'll be kind of cool. Honestly, I'm curious to see like if, a few hundred people join the exchange, what does that mean for me as an affiliate? I don't even know, to be honest with you. I don't know if I get KuCoin shares. I don't know what. Maybe I get a Starbucks gift card. There was something else. I just thought it was a cool exchange, and I figure if I'm going to talk about it, I might as well throw the affiliate link up too. There's something else I want to talk about. I want to make notes. None of these videos over the past 2 days, or any of the videos I've had planned so far, I still have like 4 kick-ass videos that I'm going to be working on, but I do got to get the website up first for the fund. But as soon as that's finished and it's up and running, and I can tell you guys about it, I've got some really cool videos planned. So until then, crow your coins, folks, and I'll see you soon.